How to download pictures from Midjourney tutorial. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and incredible day. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you very quickly in a very fast and short tutorial on how you can download any type of image from Midjourney. Now, we all know that Midjourney is your Discord AI and it creates beautiful AI generated images for you. So what we're going to do is obviously you're going to go in your newbie rooms. And once you're in your newbie room, you're going to go ahead and let's say maybe create a photo, or you maybe like a photo that someone's created. Okay, now once your photo is created, you're just going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're going to go with U1, U2. Let's say I like the second one. So I'm going to go 1, 2. So you're just going to click U2. And what this does is it's going to upscale the second photo for you. And once it's done upscaling, all you're going to do is, let's say this photo got upscaled. You're just going to right click, you're going to click on save image. And once you click on save image, just save it. And there you go. It's now downloaded into your desktop. And that is how easy and simple it is to download images from Midjourney. Thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.
Make money with AI today. Download a free guide now at AImoneytips.com.